I had to go to the salvage yard, and I couldn't find the exact wiring that I need to replace the whole cable that was burnt out, so I had to salvage parts off of a Lincoln Navigator, a Ford F-150, and a Ford Expedition to get the design that I wanted to recreate here. But most of this was burnt out. The whole post burnt out, post connector clamp. And I thought the wiring to my starter was gone, but you can tell it kind of melted because it was like really hard. It was soft before. It was sticky. But I was able to salvage some more cables here. At least one end of it. The other end was gone. So I took this off another vehicle. Another clamp with cable hanger. It's gonna connect to there. But I had to do a lot of cutting and splicing and connecting, clamping together to get the design I was looking for. To replace the burnt out stuff. All of this, there was like 3 wires connected to this. It's burnt out. But I'm gonna reconnect what I have here. Get it all reconnected. Get it back in the vehicle and get things running. And this is off a whole nother vehicle. But it matches what was burnt out, so I could use that. Need to connect these two and reconnect it to my part that was not damaged. So this was still good. Just needed to replace the end of this. The end of this was damaged. So let's do it. I went to U-Pick, pull apart, and began salvaging because I could not find the exact wiring harness that I was looking for, so I had to piece one together to fit the design that was burned up. So U-Pick came through. Okay, we are putting the protective covering on the wires now that we got everything reconnected. Just slide down inside the casing here. Open and slide on the side there. Oh, it's trying to come back out. Okay, that one. I'm going to take the rest and tape around that. Stuck to my gloves. This is the part that's going to go to the alternator. These 2 ends here. So that's ready to go. And on this end, it's going to go from the battery. So this piece came from the junkyard. I just want to slide that back over here. My oven got cut off. So it slid over this section here where the wire was folded. Slide that up there. like that. That's where that was. And we just reconstructed our burnt out section. That saved us a lot. There you go. Let's plug him up and see how he's doing here. Make sure my connector is cleared off there. Going to the alternator. This in, going to the battery. Make sure everything is ready to go here. And all my pins are in here, look good. And this is the female end, it looks good. And looks like we just recreated our burnt out situation. So let's go plug them up and see how we do. Okay, let's wrap up the other section. I have electrical tape under this Gorilla tape. Just made it thicker. Get my last piece slid on there. I salvaged these also from the, oh goodness, junkyard. Gotta get it started here. Keep the heat off the wires. This one wants to wrestle. Okay, we got him on there. Let me slide him up some. That. Wrapped up here. Maybe. Tape is acting crazy. Gotta get out these gloves. Okay. Let me go back over it. I want to get it closed. Nothing pops out. Alright, we got everything's in place now. There you go. The whole cable. Okay, ready to reconnect our cables. Top of the alternator here. This only goes in one way. Slide him on top. Okay, wait a minute. Make sure I got it facing the right way. Okay, there we go. Should hit snap. There you go, that snapped in place. Then the other one, this one goes on top of that. Let's get it out of my way. I don't know how to do this with one hand. See if I can get my bolt on top of there. Nut on top of there. Oh, nice. What's sideways on me? Okay, now. I might have to come back and get that, tighten that down. Oh, here it goes. Okay, let's get that. It came back off. Got another cable here. Let's see how it's going. I want this to go under. Let's see. To go under. Another cable here. Right there. I need to fix that contact first. Now we're working on this cable. Can't see what's going on here. Got to use that. Have to make sure that was wrapped up good within touching. Tighten that till I set it on the post. It's way up. And one more connector here. This one slides in here. All the pins look good. Snap. And we're gonna make sure nothing's moving. I'm gonna clamp out of this down once I make sure it's running good. Slide this on here for now. Right. Got that, then I got my positive. Make sure that's tight over there. Have a cover. That one too. Make sure everything's running. Like that. Back on. Back up to our positive. Okay, let's see what we got here. Everything looking good. Back in business. No smoking. No nothing. Adversity too. Thanks for watching.